Welcome to Storytime with Candygram. Today we're reading Beach Day by Candace Ransom and Erica Meza. Summer morning. Pack the car. Follow beach road. Here we are. Spread out blankets, set up chairs, shoo the gulls into the air. Hot sand, run fast, dive in quick. Something tickles, seaweed, ick. Hold my hand, be brave. 1, 2, 3, now jump that wave. Along the beach, pick up the shells. Most are pretty, this one smells. Getting hungry, time to eat. Ice cream sandwich, cool and sweet. Shovels, buckets, dig by the sea. Build a castle, tall as me. Look what I found, watch where tow. Mr. Crab, back you go. Climb the steep hill, wind just right, let out long string, flying our kite. Sun is setting, almost dark. Fun rides, more treats in the park. Turning wheel soars in the air, cotton candy in your hair. Giant moon looks like a peach. Best day ever, goodbye beach. I wish I was at the beach. I love the sand and the waves and the sun. Do you like to go to the beach? Have a great day. Do your best, be your best.